What's the mindset of a person that understands the value of money, but also the value of a Jew? One of the Gedolei Olam, Rav Nissim Karelitz, from Bnei Brak, one time, someone came to his house, said, Kvod Rav, I have a problem with you. Oh, said, what can I do? What happened? Says, the Rav owes me $600, 600 shekels. Oh, why do I owe 600 shekels? Because you guys painted the house and then emptied out all the remaining paint into the sewer system. The sewer system caused a clog in my house, and in order to unclog it, cost me $600. Rav Karelitz, so 1 second, got the money, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $600, here you go. Bacha v'atzlacha. Oh, thank you for the Rav. He leaves. Now Talmidim saw the Rav just give this guy in 2 minutes $600. Says, Rav, is this the halacha? Because usually it's the process, proof, this, that, is the halacha. Rav Nissim Karelitz says to them, one of the greatest lessons you could ever learn. He says, I have at least 3 reasons why I don't have to pay him. He says, 1, he lives across the street, which means the sewer system that I have and the sewer system that he has do not connect. There's no way that he was affected by my stuff. No way. Reason number 2, the sewer system is constantly water in there moving, so there's no way that the paint could have clogged his house. No way. Scientifically impossible. Reason number 3, we didn't paint the house. There's no paint. We didn't paint the house. So now the Talmidim are even more confused, like you. Like I was. I was laughing and then confused. Rabbi, why'd you pay him then? You have 3 reasons. Legit. You didn't even do anything. Why'd you pay him? He says to pay $600 to a Jew, to have a good neighbor, it's a good investment. It's a good investment. It's worth it. Pay somebody $600 to be a good neighbor. Because if I didn't pay him and I told him these excuses, he wouldn't believe, he wouldn't agree, he would be upset. It'd be something between me and another Jew. Chas v'shalom. If I have to pay him $600 to make him happy, good neighbor, cheap, balash, good investment. How do you know it's a good investment? Chas v'shalom, you ever have a bad neighbor. Having a bad neighbor is like cancer. Everything you do, they have a problem with. Your kids are too loud, your kids are too this, your car is in my way, you looked at me the wrong way, you're cutting on my lawn, you're cutting on this, all types of things. You know how many fights there are that go to actual court because of neighbors that are jealous of each other? All of a sudden, the city marshal shows up to your house. Yes, sir, okay, here you go. You get a letter, scary letter from the government, no one ever gets to like it. Okay, you have 7 days to remove your entire balcony or to remove this garage. Why? You didn't get a certification from the state. You didn't get the permission from the state to do this. Yeah, but how did the state know about my house? There's 1 million houses in the city. How'd you know about it? How did you know? Your neighbor, Rasha Merusha, doesn't like it that you're expanding your house. Doesn't like it that you're making it nicer. So what did he do? He called the city. My neighbor, he's doing something illegal. Oh, what is he doing? Oh, he's doing something without getting permission from you. Build balcony, is a this, basement, apartment, all types of things. Call the city, say it is. Chazaku Baruch, Rasha, Chazaku Baruch. You just did our job for us. They show up to you. You have a week. And there's no like, oh, let me go to court. You have a week to destroy this thing. Yeah, but I spent $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 on this thing. Mistake. Why? Jealous. Jealous. You know how many places have these stories? How many times people tell me, listen, maybe you could do say people like that, there's no fixing them. They're Gashayim. Unless you build them also what you're building for yourself, there's no way. While you're expanding your house, you're investing another $100,000 in your house. Unless you invest $100,000 in this house, it's never going to happen. Never gonna happen. Why? Jealous person. And that's what the Torah Kedusha says to us. Jealous people, lo kamim b'tchiyat hametim, will not be resurrected with the dead. Kadosh Baruch Hu hates them. So when you know what a bad neighbor looks like, you're willing to pay to get a good one. Now, that also means that you have to have a certain understanding of Torah. Now there is a mitzvah that says Vayitim Nikim Be'enei Hashem, that there are times, specific times, that you have to prove the case that you are right, to show that you're clean of this accusation that somebody makes of you. You can't just admit, hey, just to be a good neighbor, let me just give you money to everybody. If somebody accuses you of something wrong, there are certain times in the mitzvah from the Torah that you have to prove that you are right. Why? To show that you're a kosher Jew, to show that you are clean in the eyes of Hashem. You're clean in the eye of people. So different times to use, but the point being is that you have to know enough Torah to know when to use it and when not to use it. If it's something like this, like what Rav Nisim Karadit says, your neighbor comes complaining to you about you're parking in his spot, and in reality there's no such thing as his spot, just move your car, go somewhere else. Why? It's not worth the fight. Oh, I'm sorry, it's your spot. I didn't know, I'm sorry. We just moved here. I'm sorry. I didn't know it's your spot. Oh, it's your chair? Oh, I'm sorry, move. Why? It's not worth fighting. Pick your battles. Pick your battles. It's not worth fighting over stupid things like that. His chair, his spot. The guy thinks he runs the world. Let him believe that he runs the world. Okay, what are you going to fight him over it? People fight over chairs. Oh, you're sitting in my chair, I'm not coming here anymore. Give him the chair. Give him an ice cream too, a lollipop, a little child that he is. Oh, it's your spot. Oh, city traffic is yours too. The air is yours. Enjoy. It's yours. You're right. I saw your name. I didn't know it was your name when I saw it in the air. I didn't know it was your name. Now I know your name. I'll recognize it forever. It's you. It's all you. Enjoy it. Why? It's not worth the fight. But if somebody accuses you, or you're stealing, you're lying, something like that, you have to show proof. No, I'm clean. I'm ethical. I'm clean. Everything I'm doing, kosher. Why? You have to show that the Torah led you to be a kosher person.
אני מברך את הרבנים, רגע. אני מברך את הרבנים, הרב ירון ראובן, הרב אפרים כחלון, ראשי ארגון בעזרת השם, שהלכו בפי עליון, שעלו מעלה, יהיה להם ברכה והצלחה, הקדוש ברוך הוא ימלא בישועות ליבם לטובה ולברכה, שבכל אשר יפנו ישכילו ויצליחו, יזכרו לעשות כאלה וכאלה, הודיעו תורה לאדירה, אמן ואמן.
בעזרת השם רשת בכל הארץ. הוא היהודי הזה, הוא היה מיליונר, סגר את כל הביזנס, אמר אני משקיע פה בעולמה של תורה.
איפה הוא גר?
בפלורידה.
פלורידה, איפה זה פלורידה? באמריקה.
במיימי. כן, ליד. אנחנו שם עכשיו הולכים להקים קהילה ספרדית.
חזק אותו בשמי.
קהילה ספרדית גדולה.
תעבירו מה שבירכתי אותו.
כן, קהילה ספרדית גדולה.